Some may say humid air feels heavy, but it is actually lighter than dry air. Dry air is mostly made up of nitrogen and oxygen. When water vapor is present, it displaces some of the oxygen and nitrogen molecules, making the air lighter. The molecular weights are shown here in grams per mole. One nitrogen atom has a weight of about 14 and oxygen of 16. Since these are diatomic molecules, the weight is double. Water vapor has 2 hydrogen atoms of 1 each plus oxygen.
And the winner goes to water vapor as its weight loss champion.
This fact results in a front called a dryline, which is most common in the spring and summer in the Central Plains. There lies a hot, dry air mass to the west with southwesterly winds and clear skies. A few miles towards the east is a warm, moist air mass with southerly and southeasterly flow. When these two air masses meet, storms are likely to form. Why does a dryline form? Well, the first ingredient is warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico being transported northward by southerly winds. When there is southwesterly flow, the Mexican Plateau in central Mexico will provide a source of hot, dry air northeastward. The dense, hot air will sink down the slopes of the Rockies to the east while the warm, moist air is pushed upwards. The dryline is able to keep moving when the hot, dry air mixes out the warm, moist air. However, the moist air deepens the further east you go, so the dryline can't move very far. When air cools at night, the moist air mass becomes denser than the hot, dry air and the dryline retreats. These two air masses mix due to the wind.